Drilling up from an item in the database to get an idea of where it has been used. So if we go in here and we grab, say, one of these uh, feeders here, you can right click on the item and select properties here. Under properties, this dialog box will open up, and then you can select the references here. So if I click on references, this can take a moment for it to load, but this is going to show all of the assemblies first that that item is used in, and then any estimates that that item has been taken off in. So if I go take a look at one of these other ones here, for example, let's go see if we can find something. Here we go. Properties, references. These are the assemblies that it's in, and these are all of the estimates that that item has been used in. And the count here is the number of times that item has been taken off in that estimate. So if you're looking to go remove items that you want to fully delete from your database or that sort of thing, you do have to clear them out of all of the associated estimates. And then this will give you the report on which assemblies that item shows up in.